Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add your bank debit or credit card on AliExpress to purchase online things from AliExpress. So for that just open your AliExpress app on your mobile phone and log in with your account. Now when you log in here you can see there are multiple options at the bottom. Click on account option at the very right side. Now here you can see there are option called cards. Just simply click on this cards option. When you click on this here option called add new card. Just simply click on this add new card. When you click on this, due to security reason you may not see my screen, but there are multiple options. When you do it practically you will observe this. The first of all card number, the second one is name on card, your expiry date of your card, and last one is CVV code. So all these details will be on your debit or credit or MasterCard. Just enter these details and just simply click on the save option and your debit card or credit cards will be added on AliExpress. Now whenever you purchase anything, you will purchase by just simply one click.